Hello everyone. Welcome to this video where I'll show you a method to unlock all packs and places in Toca Life World without any cost using a tweaked version of the app called Toca Life++. This method works on both iOS and Android devices. With Toca Life++, you can unlock all packs and places for free, including the Mega Bundle, which contains almost everything in the game. As you can see, I have the app and the Mega Bundle costs literally $0. To begin, let's optimize your iPhone settings for optimal performance. Open your iPhone settings and go to the General tab. Here, make sure to enable the Background App Refresh option. This allows apps to refresh their content in the background, ensuring you're always up to date. Choose either the Wi-Fi only option or both Wi-Fi and cellular data, depending on your preference. Next, let's adjust the battery settings. It's important to disable low power mode as it may affect the app's performance. Simply toggle the switch to the off position. Now, on to the final step for iPhone users. Open the App Store and make sure that automatic downloads is enabled. This ensures that the app will be downloaded automatically once it becomes available. With the necessary settings in place, you're ready to download and install Toca Life++. To do this, open your internet browser and visit injectelite.com. This website specializes in app injection and provides modded apps. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to find Toca Life++. When the app appears in the search results, click on it, and then select the Start Injection button. Please note that the injection process may take a few minutes to complete, so I recommend being patient during this time. After the injection process finishes, you should see Toca Life++ successfully installed on your iPhone. Now you can enjoy all the unlocked content in Toca Life. For Android users, the process is even simpler. You just need to disable the battery saver option in your settings. After that, the remaining steps are similar to those on an iPhone. Open your internet browser and go to injectelite.com. Use the search bar to find Toca Life++. Once you find the app, click on the Start Injection option to initiate the process. This may take a few minutes, but I assure you that it works effectively on almost every Android device. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider supporting me by giving this video a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.